Sapodilla. Sapodilla is a tropical fruit. It is native to Mexico, Central America and some parts of South America. This fruit is round and oval shaped with orange and yellow skin. Sapodilla is popular in many parts of the world and we used it to make delicious dishes, desserts and delicious drinks. And this tree is a slow growing tree that can take up to 10 years, but it continue more than 50 years. And also this fruit is sweet, fresh and juicy that has a grainy texture similar to a pear. And also this fruit is rich in fiber, potassium, vitamin C, antioxidant and iron, making nutrition addition to any diet. Sapodilla has also been used in traditional medicine to treat various ailments. So we should have a responsibility to protect these kind of rare plants as planet protectors.